What's going on, smart people? Last week of school before finals, and one of our professors decided we have time for bonus homework.
Hooray!
It's actually not that bad. This homework was assigned by our quantum mechanics professor, and it is completely voluntary. It's extra credit, basically. I'm definitely going to do it. I don't know when. You see, we have until this next Friday, almost 2 weeks, to get this homework assignment done, but here's the catch. It's over twice the length of our normal homeworks, and we obviously have final this next week. So over these past couple days, I was struggling to finish my math methods and classical mechanics homeworks, and then I get this, and I'm just like... There is a bright side to this. Pretty much this entire homework is on angular momentum, and in math methods we spent an entire section on the spherical harmonics. This is the bright side because the eigenstates of the angular momentum operators are the spherical harmonics, so it's still very fresh in my head. I mean, everyone's pretty much always familiar with the spherical harmonics. You know what they do, you know where they're important, but it's just so tedious deriving them because you have to solve Laplace's equation in spherical coordinates, and it's never not a pain in the ass. We did it one way in math methods that I think was pretty clever. This way we're pretty much just brute forcing our way through it on the homework. It's just not fun. So yeah, a large part of this homework is just solving that differential equation, solving Laplace's equation. But another part of the homework is actual physics, where it's connecting a big chunk of the Laplacian to the angular momentum squared operator, which is still, that's useful to see if you haven't seen it before. Overall, this is a really useful homework though. I think it's really important to go through the gory details at least once. That way you can appreciate looking it up in the back of the book in the future. Not to mention, our professor was nice enough to let us opt out of doing this homework with no penalty, so I really have no right to complain. Like I said, I'm still going to do the homework for a few reasons. One, you should never turn down extra credit. Two, professors, especially in grad school, don't just assign homework because. They do it because they want you to chew on information longer than a 50-minute lecture could give you. Because it's something that they find important, so you should think it's important too. And the last reason is that sometimes if I derive something once and then I go back and do it again later on, I get something else out of it that time. I notice something, maybe subtle, a trick, whatever, that I didn't the time before. So just because you've derived something before doesn't mean you can't still learn from it by doing it again later on. Maybe see if there's other ways to do it. I'm probably not going to get to this homework today. I'm going to try to get started on it tomorrow. I still need to finish up this application for the PhD program. So I'm going to end the video here. Let me know in the comments section, do you wish this semester went a little bit longer, or are you ready for it to be over with and on to the next set of classes? And I'll see you guys there.